Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is JC's birthday. May birthday tayo kay JC. Wow! Hulaan ko anong team ng birthday ni JC. SpongeBob. No, SpongeBob no. SpongeBob yung team ng birthday mo. Ah, JC. Ano yan? Ano yun? JC, how old are you na? Show the tree. Oh, ang galing! 3 years old na si JC. At ang bilis ang panahon.
Pilusito, Ate Bridget.
At bilis si Ate Bridget.
Thank you.
Thank you.
O, kay Tito Ray din, oh. Gift ka ni Tito Ray, oh.
Oh,
I do Tito Ray.
galing!
Take one mo na yung friends mo, dali.
Friend! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Welcome, friends!
Happy birthday, Casey!
JC, may regalo sila sa'yo!
Asan ang JC? Wow, may gift.
Wow, what will you say?
Oh, what will you say?
Ay, parang di siya masaya.
Ba't nahiya?
Hindi, anong mukha yan?
Uy,
Anong mukha yun?
nahiya.
Oh, sing ulit, sing ulit, sing.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Casey!
Wow! Blow! Blow ya!
Blow, sige na. Wag dum. Sige na, blow.
Yan kasi.
Itutok mo! Dito lang, dito lang.
Dito na, blow mo na, blow. Sige na,
More.
blow, 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 blow.
Blow more! Yay! Oh! Bang, 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 bang. Boom! What is up guys? Today, takbo tayo. Samahan niyo ako. Pero bago lahat, stretching muna tayo. Tayo sa may spot kung saan maganda mag-stretching. Yung konti tao, pati peaceful. Paano ba mag-stretching? Nakakalimutan ko paano mag-stretching. May inuuna ako eh. Ano ba inuuna ko? Nakalimutan ko mag-stretching. Naalala ko na. Pogo hops. Okay, let's go. Pero doon tayo mag-start sa banda sa Uptown kasi dito may ano pa eh, tawiran. Mabibitin lang ako eh. Today ang goal natin is 10k. Tamang 10k lang kasi bukas may basketball tayo. Ayoko mag 16k ngayon, baka bukas wala na akong itakbo. Pawisan ako dun ah. Oh, pawis ako. Oh, mainit lang. Let's go, let's go. Let's go 10k. Uptown. Let's go, let's go. Ang kagandahan dito sa BGC tumakbo. Sobrang lawak ng sidewalk. 2 dipa, 3 dipa. Kaya safe na safe ko tumakbo. Marami lang stoplights. Pero okay lang. At least safe tayo. 1k. Stoplight, 3k. Galit na galit. 4k. Pagod. Ngayon na lang ako nakatakbo ng 10k. Tuwing 10k steps lang ginagawa ko nito mga nakaraan eh. Tuloy tayo, tuloy. 7k. Last 3. Let's go. 9k. Last one. Let's go. 10k. Tubig tayo. Pagod. Wow na ako.
Pizza snack that's cheesy, meaty, and packed with
Successful 10k. Tapos bukas basketball. Panis. Alam mo masarap tumakbo. Masarap mag-exercise. Pero pag nasa gitna kayo ng pagtakbo mo, pumapasok sa isip ko na, ba't ko ba ginagawa to? Paikot-ikot ka, matakbo ka, papakalayo, ba't mo ginagawa to? Hindi ko din alam sagot eh. Pero parang nasanay na ako. Siguro, palagi akong ginagawa, hinahanap na ng katawan mo, tumakbo palagi, maglakad ng malayo. Stay active guys. Galaw-galaw yung mga buto nyo at mga katawan nyo. Hindi ko naman mga pormahan natin, no? Chowpan Ballers. Hey! Nike! Stephen Curry. Under Armour. Tara, samahan nyo mag-basketball. 10 a.m. hanggang 1 p.m. 3 hours sa pagbabasketball. Pow! Punta tayo sa court, guys. Tricycle! Ang init! Ang init! Uy, piso! Uy, piso! Tricycle! Ang init! Currently, 9:30 na 36. Alas 10 yung laro. Tulay palengke lang po. Tulay palengke. Summer. Bossing. Ha?
Ano nakapasok dyan? Sa YouTube o sa Facebook?
YouTube.
Ay, may YouTube. Anong channel?
Dudoy Long no po.
Ha?
Dudoy Long no. Idol!
Love.
Ilang points ka ngayon?
5 points.
Do you want to be a vlogger?
Yeah, and you're grounded. You're grounded. You're grounded for infinity. Wait, stay there forever.
Goal.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like wrist, 30's my shit. Rolling all night like flex, we look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm oh my god, what I wish for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's real legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, cheap that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Sweating my love, taking that tug out of the mud. Blood probably get picked up like a truck. Winning the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't the only way to it is doing the way you run it.
Nahabol na kami guys.
Knowledge, I'ma always be silent. I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look at my time, dog. The time that it takes, I'm aiming for the space. Gotta be
Oh, what a pass!
liar, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go. Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row.
Yeah, boy.